Welcome to this video where I'll be going through the step-by-step process to register and open your account on Quotex, so you can begin your journey with confidence. Let's dive right in. First up, you want to go to bcoin.net, and this bcoin.net right here. And the reason you want to go to bcoin.net is because Bcoin offers 50% off your first deposit on Quotex. It also offers 50% off your first deposit on Polkadot as well when you use a link. So I'm just gonna click over the Quotex right here. It's gonna go over there. Sometimes it takes a little while to load the first time, so we're just gonna skip through that right now. Now you want to make sure your domain above says qxbroker.com because that is the only correct domain name for Quotex. Okay, so qxbroker.com, and if you see it's qxbroker.com and you see the sign up page right here, you're at the right spot. That's great news. Okay, so what you have to do now is you have to enter your country of residence, currency you want to trade in, email, and password. And then you have to confirm that you're 18 years or older, and you declare and confirm that you are not a citizen or resident of the US for tax purposes. Okay, so after you do that, you'll click registration, and then you'll be brought to a different page. So let me just go through that right now. All right, so we have a few things entered right here, and we're going over to the next page now. And voila, so right now you're on Quotex. Okay, so you can see how to trade here and everything you need to know with the directions. So now you're pretty much all set up. Okay, so this is all you have to do right now. So now you can start trading with a demo account if you really want to, or you can do a $10 deposit or more on a real account to start trading. So I do recommend that you start out with a demo account first. This is just a great risk-free strategy to test out any trade strategies you want to test out. You can take a look at some of our videos on our YouTube channel, and you can see plenty of different trading strategies that work. And so let's go to demo account right here, and we can trade with $10,000 on the demo account on Quotex. And you'll also be prompted to do an email verification. So on your email, you will have a Quotex kind of verification, email verification, which we will have to go through, which is a very simple process. All you have to do is just click the link they send you, and then your email will be verified. And if you want to log in, all you have to do is go to qxbroker.com. So let me just go to that right now. All right, so now that we're on the account, what you have to do to log in is just click this login button on qxbroker.com, and then you'll be brought to the login page. From there, all you have to do is just log in with your credentials, and you'll be in just like this. Now, if you actually want to start trading with your live account, all you have to do is just click deposit right here, and you'll be brought to the deposit page. From the deposit page, you can choose your preferred payment method. It could be a bank card, it could be a cryptocurrency, whatever you really want. You just have to deposit at least $10 inside, and then you can start trading with real money. All right, and pro tip is to use bcoin.net for trading forecasts. So bcoin.net, what we do is we enhance your trading experience by utilizing currency rate predictions available at bcoin.net. So these insights can assist in making informed trading decisions. Now, congrats. You've successfully registered your Quotex account, and now you're ready to embark on your trading journey by trading with real money on Quotex. Remember to trade responsibly and make use of all available resources to enhance your trading experience. Resources like bcoin.net can help with trading forecasts with things like currency rate predictions. And for more tutorials and insights, don't forget to subscribe and visit bcoin.net.